one question from this topic, which will be total of 2 marks in your examination. So this session will, let me know students. Um, Always keep a notebook and a pen handy whenever we are discussing questions from this unit, because unless and until you won't solve it in your notebook, you won't get a clear picture of what the question is asking. Okay, so students, do practice it. Always use a notebook and a pen while solving any kind of questions. Let me know if we can begin. Okay, so the first question here is, Mr. Deepak Mohan walks meters and then turns to the right. After walking 3 kilometers, he turns to the left and walks 5 kilometers. What direction is he facing right now? So this is a question. Do you think is the answer? Yeah, good evening everyone. Okay, good evening Govardhan, Kumari, Brahmi, Chanappa, Kashmira, everyone. Good evening. Yes, so I started to get some my students who usually give the right answer, and I am very happy that you guys are practicing this unit very well. So let's see for the others who do not know or who have given the incorrect answer. Let's solve it together. So this is a name of a person. He walks towards the south. So first of all, students, you should have a clear picture of what direction. Um, what is the direction? You should know. North, bottom is south, right side is east, and this side will be west. So this is according to what the directions will be. Let's see. Mohan walks 5 kilometers towards the south. So he's walking 5 kilometers. Okay. Then he turns to the left. Left means, students, left, if he is, left is going to be this side. Okay. And then, okay, Mohan walks 5 kilometers to the south and then turns to not this side. So then he turns right and after walking this side and walks 5 kilometers. So in which direction he is facing right now? So now he is facing south. Okay. Yeah. Now everybody got why B is the right answer. First he was here, then he walked south, then he took a right turn and then a left turn, and now he is facing downwards. So which direction is downwards? It is south. That is why B is the right answer. Shall we move on to the next question? Okay, I think we should. Next question is, Soumya Krishnan walked 20 kilometers towards the north. Then she turned right and walks 30 meters. Then she turns right and walks 35. Then turns left and walks 15. Finally, what, um, in which direction and how many meters is she from the starting point? So this is one of the questions where they have given a lots of information just to confuse you students. Okay, are you getting why there is so much of sentences, so many numbers, left, right, left, just to confuse you, or so that you are not able to give the right answers? All the competitive exams that you are appearing, students, the exams is not the exam of selection. It is actually the exam of rejection. How well they can eliminate the students. Okay, so these are the questions that they put up to make the students confused, and so that they can select or reject the students. So in this question, I'll give you some time. Let me know, students, what is the answer. Keep answering. What do you think is the answer to this question? Soumya Krishnan walked 20 meters. Yeah. So I've got one answer. One student I have given the right answer. Given the answer. Let's see if it is right or wrong. The right answer is option D, 45 meters east. Okay. So Vigneshwaran has given the right answer. Now let's see why D is the right. Okay. First of all, we'll take a starting point. this girl Soumya Krishnan, she walked 20 meters towards the north. So from bottom she moved up. Okay, then she turned right. So right will be this side. Okay, so right is 30. Then she turned right and walked 35. So now she's facing this side. Right side would be bottom. So she walked 35 meters. Okay, and then she turned left. So when she's at the bottom, left side would be this side. How much this is? 15 meters. Finally, she turns left and walks 15 meters. Finally, she turns left and she walks 15 meters again. So now she's here. How many, in which direction and how many meters is she from the starting point? So students, this is the starting point, right? This is the starting point. And if we add 30 plus 15, okay, this much is 30, this much is 30, and this much is what? 15. Okay, so 30 plus 15 is how much? It is 45. Okay, and she is in the east direction, right? I did tell you, north is up, south is at the bottom, east is to the right, and west is to the left. So from the starting point, she is 45 meters to the east direction. That is why D is the right answer. Okay? Okay, students. So D is the right answer. Shall we move on to the next question? Okay, question number 3. Let me know, students. A man walks at a speed of 3 kilometers from location A towards east for 1 hour, and then turning left walks at a speed of 1.5 kilometers per hour for 6 hours towards north. Shortest distance between A and B is? What is the shortest distance between A and B? Um, let me know, students. Just try to solve this. It's a very simple question. A little bit of maths that you had studied in your class 9th and 10th. Pythagorean theorem we had studied. Remember? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Right angle triangle. Okay. So the right answer to this question is option D. And I'll tell you how we have come to the answer. Yeah, Neelam has given the right answer. Very nice, Neelam. Now let's see how we have come to the answer. The question is saying a man walks at a speed of 3 kilometers from location A towards east. So this is location A, and then the person walks for 3 kilometers. So this is, okay, Brahmi, Chanappa, Sumanta has given the right answer. Very nice. This is 3 kilometers, and then turning left walks at a speed of 1.5 kilometers. So from location a man walks at a speed from location A towards east. Okay, he comes here and then turns towards the north and walks how many kilometers? He walks at a speed of, so what is the formula of speed, students? Speed is equals to distance upon time. Everybody has studied in this in school. So what is distance? We have to find out distance, but distance is not given. Speed is given and time is given. So what will be distance? Distance is equals to speed into time. Okay. So what is speed? Speed is 1.5. 1.5 and time is 6. So 1.5 into 6 is equals to 9.0. Okay. So this much will be, this distance will be 9. So now we have to find this distance. AB we have to find. Okay. Let's imagine this as C, point C. So we can write it as AB square is equals to BC square plus AC square. Okay. So BC is how much? Your 9. 9 square is 81 and the square of 3 is 9. So 81 plus 9 is going to be 90. Okay. AB square is 90. So whenever root goes this square goes this side, it becomes root. So AB is equals to under root of 90. What is under root of 90? Uh, Nalini, it is not under root of 89. It is under root of 90. 81 plus 9 is going to be 90. So students, even if you do not know how to calculate the root of 90, it is not at all a problem, because from the options only you can find out what will be the right answer, because you know under root of 100 is 10, right? What is the under root of 100? It is 10. So this will not be the answer, because we have to find under root of 90. So the square of 12 is 144. So this will also not be the right answer. And the root of 81 is 9. Root of 81 is how much? It is 9. So obviously root of 90 will be greater than 9. Okay, got it? It will be greater than 9, and hence the answer is going to be D, 9.48. Okay, did you get it? Okay, next question. Prakash walked 30 meters towards west, took a left turn, walked 20 meters, then took a left turn and walked 30 meters, then took right turn and stopped. Now he is facing in which direction? So come on students, this is a very very simple question, and I know all my students are very smart. They can give the answer in just no time. Okay, I think this question should not take more than 30 seconds, because you know students, even 1 minute, half a minute is very very crucial in the paper. So just try to practice such kind of questions, so that in exam you take very less time. Come on, I'm waiting for the answer. Who will give the right answer? What is the right answer to question number 4? Okay, I have started to get answer. Bhaskar has given the answer. Let's see if it is right or wrong. Others also. Yeah, some people are saying B, some are saying A, some are saying A, some are saying C. Let's see which is the right answer. So the right answer here is option A. A is the right answer. Let's see how we have got A as the right answer. Prakash walked 30 meters towards west. So if he is standing over here, west is going to be this side. He walked 30 meters towards the west, then takes a left turn. Took a left turn. He took a left turn and then walked 20 meters. Okay. And now he's facing this side and then takes a left turn and walked 30 meters. Okay, so now he took a right turn, left turn, and 30 meters is going to be this side, and then he took a right turn. So now he is facing this side, but he has not walked, he has taken right turn. So if a person is standing with face this side, when he will take right turn, he will be standing here. So his position will be downwards. So now he is facing which direction? He is facing south direction. That is why A is the right answer. Okay. Everyone, okay. Now, Karuna, did you understand why we have got D as the right answer? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Raman travels a distance of 5 meters in south direction, then turns to his right. After walking 3 kilometers, he turns to the left and walks 5 kilometers. Now, in which direction is he from the starting place? Come on, students, all my dear students. Come on, come on, come on. All the students, keep answering, okay? Just try to answer it. Even if the question is wrong, you will at least understand how the question is being solved. Okay, in which direction is he? Question number 5. Okay, I've started to get answers. Good. So Nalini has given answer. Let's see. Okay. Some are saying C, some are saying B. Let's see. The right answer to this question is option C. And let's see why it is the answer. Yelappa is saying D. Okay, let's see why C is the right answer. Okay, students. Raman travels a distance of 5 kilometers in the south direction. So, if he is standing over here, 5 kilometers south will be this side. So, then he turns to the right. Obviously, if he's facing downwards, right will be this side. Okay, this side will be right. So he turns to right and walks 3 kilometers. First it was 5, then it is 3, and then he took a left turn and walks 5 kilometers. Okay, so he is now here. See, students, now first he was here, now he is here. If you look at the compass, north, south, east, west. So if at all a person is this side, we will call him what? We will call him, he is somewhere between south and west. So we will call this direction as southwest. So in which direction is he from the starting place? We are calculating from here. So he is definitely southwest. He is not south because south will be this side. He is not west. West will be this side. He is southwest, between south and west. That is why C is the right answer. Okay. If he would be somewhere here, we would call it southeast. If here, we would have called northeast. And if the person would have been here at this point, we would have called it northwest. Okay. That is why C is the right answer. Okay. Shall we move on to the next question? Everybody understood? Okay. Students, I hope you are writing your answer somewhere. Always write how many questions you have done correct in particular section. We'll discuss and see how much you've scored out of the total number of questions. Okay, it's a very good strategy to study. Now this is one question where no lot of numbers are given. Let's do it together. Atul walks 20 meters towards south, turning to left walks 30 meters, turning right walks 10 meters, and then turning right he walks 40 meters, then turning right he walks 30 meters and stopped. How far is he with respect to the starting point? Now, what do you think is the right answer to this question? Okay, what do you think? Question number 6. Let me know what do you think is the right answer here. A is the right answer, students. Okay, let's see how we have come to the right answer here. Atul walks 20 meters towards south. So Atul is standing over here. He walks 20 meters to the south, then turns left and walks 30 meters. Okay. Okay. I'll just start from the starting. Uh, Atul walks 20 meters towards the south and then turns left. Okay. So now if he is turning left, it will be this side. He turning left, he walks 30 meters. Okay. And then turning right, he walks 10 meters. Okay. 10 is this much. And then turning right, he walks 40 meters. So 40 meters will be a huge distance. 40 meters. And then turning right, he walks 30 meters again. So 30 meters is again this much. So you see 10 and 20 will be 30. That is why it is this person Atul, he is just 10 meters with respect to the starting point. Students, is it audible? Is my voice audible now? See, just go step by step. Atul walks 20 meters south, then takes a left turn. So left turn will be this side. Then walks 30 meters and turns right. After turning right, he walks 10 meters and then again he turns right and walks 10 meters and then again he turns right. Okay, again he's turning right and he's walking 30 meters. So he's actually just 10 meters from the starting point. Okay. Okay. Next question. Rashi traveled 20 meters towards north. Then she turned right and travels 30 meters. She turns right and travels a distance of 35 meters. And then she turns left and walks 15 kilometers. Okay. Finally, she turns left and walks 15 kilometers. In which direction and how many meters is she from the starting point? Okay. See, in this question, just don't be afraid if many values are given to you. If there are so many values given to you like 20, then she turns left and travels a distance of 15 kilometers. Okay, 15 will be this much. And then she turns again left and she travels a distance of 15 meters. Okay, so see how much it is. She has traveled. If you take starting point as this, so this will be, so this will be 20. This much is 20 and this much is how much? It is 15. Okay, 20 plus 15, it is going to be walk 3 meters. She took a right turn again and walked 15 meters before stopping. Which direction did Shalini face after stopping? So in this question, Shalini walked 15 kilometers towards south. So she walked 15. It is just meters. Okay, 15 meters towards south and took right turn. So if she is facing your right turn will be this side and walked 3 meters and took a right turn again and walked 15 meters. Okay. Now in which direction Shalini face after stopping? So she is towards the north direction. Okay. North. Some students saying my voice is not audible. I think there's some network issue this side. I'm sorry for that. Um, Now is it audible? Okay. Let's see the next question. I'll just brief it up again. So she walks 15 meters, then takes a right turn. Right turn will be this side. Previous questions answer, someone is asking. Previous questions answer is 45. Okay. Actually, there is a network problem this side. Because of rain, there is a lot of network fluctuation. I'm really sorry for that. I don't repeat. See, in the seventh question, Rashi traveled 20 kilometers towards north. So first she was here, then she walked 20 kilometers to the north. She turned right and walked 30 kilometers. Then again she takes a right turn and travels 35 kilometers. And then she turns left and travels 15 and again 15. So you see, first she was here, now she is here. So this much distance, this much is 30 and this much is 15. So 30 plus 15 is 45. That is why the answer was D over here. Let's see the next question. Kumar walked 5 meters towards north and took a left turn and walked 10 meters. He then took a right turn and walked for 20 meters and again took a right turn and walked 10 meters. How far is he from the starting point? Let me know, students. C is the right answer. Yeah, Gayatri. So, did you understand now why C is the right answer? See, first he was here, Kumar was here. He walked 5 meters. Then he took a left turn and walked how much? He walked 10 meters and then took a right turn and he walked 20 meters. And then he took a right turn again and walked 10 meters. So, this much, students, it is 20. This much, see, if this is 20, this will also be 20, and 20 plus 5 is 25. Hence, C is the right answer. Next question. One day, Rohan left home and walked 10 kilometers towards south. Turned right and walked 5 kilometers. Turned right and walked 10 kilometers. Turned left and walked 10 kilometers. How many kilometers is he from the starting point? How many kilometers will he have to walk to reach his home straight? So in this question, the right answer is option C, and I'll tell you why. See, Rohan left home and walked 10 kilometers. Okay, so this much is 10. Then turned right and walked 5 kilometers. So this much is 5. Then turned right and walked 10 kilometers. So this much is 10. And then took a left turn and walked 10 kilometers. So this much is 10. So if you want to go straight from this is home. Okay, this point. So before winding up the session, I would like to tell you that Global Online University is helping students to clear paper 1, because this is a very tough examination. You know, only 6% of the students qualify in this examination. So we have brought for you practiced mock test. You all know without practice, any competitive exam is very difficult to crack. So we have made this test for students so that they can see what kind of questions are coming. If you study this material, 60 tests, notes, and video lecture, it is enough to clear paper 1. Okay, because students get very confused from where to study, which books to study. So these 60 tests, because these tests include your PYQs as well, 10 years PYQs, and 60 tests. Each test will have 50 questions. So this will be total of 3000 MCQs along with explanation, and you will get complete notes, brief notes along with video lectures. So if you are interested to join our course, you can download Global Online University app, or you can contact on our WhatsApp number. The fees is just 999. Join today and get the benefits of Global Online University. Okay, so this is my number. You can contact me if you have any queries before joining. You can talk to me. Okay, so we will meet in our